emergency message now in effect. To repeat, this is a civil emergency message. This message is issued at the request of multiple authorities and agencies, including but not limited to the Springfield Police Department, the Greene County Office of Emergency Management, and MoDOT. An extremely dangerous and potentially mass injury to mass casualty situation is ongoing in the city of Springfield. Temperature drops from as high as 40 above the current recorded temperatures in the 10 to 20 degree below zero range have been reported across Greene County. In addition, a blizzard has suddenly started to ravage the county and portions of surrounding counties. A suspect has been speculated to have caused this sudden dangerous weather disaster. He is described as being 6 feet 1 inch tall, with a slender build, medium to long black hair and eyes of an emerald green hue that seem to glow in an eerie manner through the blizzard for a few feet. He is 22 years old and last observed wearing a purple winter coat, a black shirt under the coat, with emerald green shorts and what seem to be green-colored steel-toed tennis shoes. If you spot this suspect, do not approach, as due to multiple events over the past year, he is considered by federal authorities to be magically armed and fatally dangerous to be around in any capacity. In addition, some authorities within the Greene County Sheriff's Department are speculating he may have some relation to another early 20-year-old male named Blaze, although those speculations cannot be confirmed at this time. Given this depth of information, residents in the affected areas are strongly urged to stay indoors, lock all doors, and keep warm with fireplaces and space heaters while keeping tuned to local media outlets and the emergency alert system's broadcasts until this act of sorcery ceases.